Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Quick to save. This will be my first Dollar Tree haul. Let's get started. First thing, I got some sugar. This is Zulka pure cane sugar, and this is a name brand. I saw this at Walmart for like $2.50. This is 2 pounds, $1. I picked up a couple of those, and found this book, Cowgirl Chef. It's got some real good recipes in here I'm about to try. $1, y'all. And I always want to get one of these, but couldn't really afford it. But hey, it's $1. Got 5 patterns. Emoji. Need those. Gift wrapping coming up. And this is for decals on my window. Some stickers. More stickers. Haven't tried these yet. Let me know if you've tried them. They're self-laminating sheets. Got 2 of those. And I got these duct tape. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Check it out. It's got the typewriter, telephone, chair, a few things. Love it. Got some Glade air freshener. These solid fresheners. Smells so good. Hawaiian Breeze. For cleaning. Let's see what we got in here. This is for my tablets. One for me. One for the hubby. Oh, I need one of these. I love the pattern. Kisses shower cap. Cute. For my hair ties. When I do my braids. Some hair accessories. Snap chips. Some combs. Potato masher. Need this for my stroller. Be so cute. Safety wise. And I'm gonna try these out. I've seen them around, but never actually tried them, so we're gonna try those. For my baby's bat. Oh, Christmas is out, y'all. These are light up icicles. I haven't tried them yet, but they look so cool. This is what they're supposed to look like. And I got one of these for the door. It's so cute. I mean, it's big. Very noisy. I got a couple of these lights just to add to my tree. And yeah, I know these containers are from Dollar Store. Love them. They're so sturdy. And I got me a couple of these for pasta and things. Now here's my Ikea haul. Got some of these. Got 2 of those. This is like I guess a rack. You could put like towels and stuff. I got this from Ikea. I think it was like $1.99. Good deal. And S-hooks. You can never have enough S-hooks. I think I picked up like 8 of those. And I needed some rings, you know, to seal my mason jars. And of course this tub. Love it. So sturdy. All right, thanks guys. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you. Let me know what you think. And see if you can find these in your dollar store. There's real good stuff. Alright. Have a good one. God bless.